where I'm sitting right now in my life is extraordinary. Like, it has taken me sweat, blood, guts, tears, grit, every resource, every opportunity, and in every possible direction, and every person I could possibly imagine coming on board to support me and my 5 children as a solo parent. I now sit in a space where I purchased my own home 2 years ago as a solo parent to 5. I am now have this level of peace and stability and consistency and vitality and joy and extreme blessings in my life day to day. And I'm very protective of that. And I've really cultivated and grown that through navigating and moving through these experiences and healing these ruptures, not just in myself, in my family, in my community, and also in my lineage. What I learnt throughout all of these experiences is also how to build a solid and incredibly supportive community, and how resourced I am, how I navigated all of these extremely horrific contexts and experiences right back from a child has been the forming and the making of me. It could have taken me down some very different pathways, and it definitely did along the way. There was dabbling in drugs. There was also not choosing the right people, not running with the right groups, not like making mistake upon mistake upon mistake, the chaos, the instability, the fear, the confusion that I lived in for so many years in trying to find and root and anchor into who I was and my resources and repair the ruptures within my body that all these experiences had severed me from. And it really has taken a very clear and consistent choice in how to rise, into be confronted, to have your life collapse and shatter beneath you and all around you, and have to walk through that and have to choose every moment of every day in every experience to rise through that and bring every capacity and every resource and everything that you know in yourself to be true, with those around you holding you when you can't hold it, making that a constant and persistent and non-negotiable choice. It has been the greatest anchoring, all these experiences, of my own power and my own capacity and clarity and who I am, as you know, is how I sit here today and how I parent and how I show up for myself and how I do my work.